Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last core strengthening workout routine and I'm going to do a 15 minutes cardio plus core burn. Total have 4 circuits. Each circuit will have 5 exercises, and for this the first 2 circuits it will be the same, but we have 30 seconds in between the circuits and separate with the other 2 circuits. So we really give our core a quickly fat burning exercise. So that's all about. Are you ready? Let's go. Is to put the left leg in the front and the right hand and tap the floor. We jump here. Okay, 1 tap, 2 tap. Okay, are we ready? Let's start for 30 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, then we move on to a mountain climber for 30 seconds.
Don't want yourself out striking back at me. Don't need your lies based on insecurity. You're like a movie, so
then we turn around, sit down on the mat, and lie down. Right arm, touch to the left leg. 1, 2. Okay, let's start.
I saw it from the side and you go. You got your back, it's bruising. Everywhere you go and everyone you love. I know it seems like I'm the one to lose.
Okay, then we move to bicycle crunch. When you do bicycle crunch, lie down on the floor, the hand by the ear, and we just twist left to right legs and twist. Okay, ready? Done. Okay, and the last exercise is Russian twist. So last time my lesson, and we have twisted, hold it. If you challenge yourself, the legs leave it up or you touch the ground. Okay, let's start. Side to side, hold your, raise your core.
Started a fire somewhere deep in my mind.
Almost done. Then we have 30-second rest. Okay, then we 30-second rest and we have our next round, and then we move on to the second set. Have you brought a break?
Or if they really care, there's a stairway down for the both of us, but let's not go there. Got me thinking, whoa, I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight, I'm telling you.
Ready? Let's start. Remember, left leg and right arm. Tap.
this town. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink when everyone is too fake. Your hope eventually sinks, 'cause I don't know if it'll.
Done. Okay, then we move on to mountain climber.
There's a stairway down for the both of us, but I won't have it. I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this place tonight. I'm telling you.
Okay, then we turned and have our right arm touch the left legs. Ready? Start.
I don't wanna waste no time. Feel it coming now. It's a sign. Never felt like this in my life. Not waiting a minute. Awaken my spirit now. You got me thinking, whoa. I don't know how we got here. Oh my, I think we better run. We ought to leave this.
Okay, then we have 30-second bicycle crunch. Okay, ready? Start.
Case, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border. Can't stay no longer in this town.
Okay, the last one, Russian twist. Remember, if you want to have a rest, you can have a rest and always catch up.
I don't wanna save ya, don't wanna be strangers. Let me feel like you know what to do. Leave your limitations, live and go against them. Just let go and start up something new. 'Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want. And I know the life you're living isn't that.
Okay, then we have 30-second rest. We move on to our next 2-set exercise, 2 more circuits, and we finish the day. This is a really give ourselves our quick cardio burn of the core. The next exercise, the first exercise we're going to do is skip to hold. Skip the side to side. When you do that, okay, skip the side to side, 1, like that, okay? We're ready? Let's start.
Tear down all your visions, go against the feeling, make them fall like gravel to the floor. Only when the dust sets, you start to regret all the things that you've been fighting for. 'Cause I know that what you planned out, everything that you built up, isn't what you want.
Okay, then the next exercise, we plank hold position and tape shoulder. Left arm, tape right shoulder. We ready? Let's start.
Might be free, save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. 'Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Take your love on me, leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you've spoken. 'Cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
2, 1. Okay, and the third exercise is corner. Same position and the right leg near to your right hand. Then 1, left, and right again. You ready? 30 seconds. Start.
Leave the words you've spoken, 'cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine.
Okay, then we move on to the playing side to side. So the playing position and moving side to side.
I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
Okay, now the last one is 30-second plank. I know, but let's do it. If you can't do it, knee down is do. Okay, we're almost done for the next circuit. Done. Plank is the most effective for building our strong core. So let's do it. Done. All right, now have 30-second rest. Then we move on to the next round.
I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you.
You can always have the water bottle and everything's by your size.
I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Make you. Mine, mine, mine. Mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you mine. Mine, mine, mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you mine.
Done. Okay, then we coming down and have our, now in a push-up position, left touch to the right shoulder. Okay, start.
Just so I can't you see it? Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in your head.
2, 1. Okay, then we move on to the coiler. The coiler is the same push-up position, and the right leg next to the right arm. Okay, done. Three, 2, 1. Okay, then we have to playing deep side to side, playing position and deep.
Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses. Swimming around in your bloodstream, can't make it stop. Oh, I just need to tell you that. Oh, don't let them get in.
3, 2, 1. Okay, the last one, very last one. 30 seconds, I promise. And you can knee down. 2, 1. Well done, guys. Wow, it's really sweaty, and it's really good workout in the outdoor. And thank you so much, and please give me comments on what we're gonna do for our next workout challenge, or we can do some upper body or lower body. Just give me some comments, and I'll see you next workout. Bye.